The one skill that makes you unstoppable. Every human is born with it, but 99% waste it. It is not taught in books, but those who master it become legends. This is the skill that built warriors, leaders, billionaires, and even monks. And today I am going to teach it to you like no one ever has. So stay with me till the end and subscribe for more antique videos like this. Think of your biggest pain, a heartbreak, a failure, a betrayal. What if I told you you could turn that pain into power? That instead of breaking you, it could build you. The truth is, you already have the weapon. You just never learned how to use it. It is called emotional transmutation, and it is the most powerful human skill alive. So, what is emotional transmutation? Let me explain it simply. Emotional transmutation means turning one emotion like fear, sadness, anger into focused action or unstoppable energy. Imagine this: a boxer using heartbreak to fuel his training, a student using rejection to study harder, a warrior using fear to sharpen his reflexes. Most people run away. Most people run away from emotion. Winners, they convert it into fire. This is what made men like Muhammad Ali and Marcus Aurelius unstoppable. Now, why no one teaches it? Because society wants you comfortable. Scroll, consume, complain. They don't want you to learn that pain is powerful in disguise. Your school taught you algebra, but not how to handle heartbreak. Your friends say, move on, but no one teaches you how to transform the pain. That's why you feel stuck, because no one gave you the tools until now. Now, how to practice it? Here is how you do it. Step 1. When a strong emotion hits you, pause. Don't react, don't post, don't run. Step 2. Write it out. What exactly are you feeling and why are you feeling? Step 3. Ask yourself, how can I use this pain to improve something? For example, if someone betrayed you, use it to build discipline. If you lost, use that feeling to learn something powerful. If you are angry, pour it into workouts, writing, whatever creates forward motion. It is like alchemy. You are not escaping emotions, you are transforming them into power. The greatest men in history were not perfect, they just mastered this one invisible skill. You already have it now. Now it is time to use it, because your pain might just be the power that makes you unstoppable. So hit that subscribe button for more interesting content. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.